Welcome to another episode of One Trip at a Time. Ngayon, tayo ay nasa malaparaisong isla ng Boracay. Ang Boracay ang nangungunang tourist destination sa Pilipinas. The island is known for its powdery white sand beaches, clear turquoise waters, beautiful diving sites, exciting food scene, thrilling activities, and stunning sunsets. With two airports connecting the island to major cities within and outside the Philippines, hindi nakakapagtaka na mahigit 2 milyong turista ang bumibisita sa isla taon-taon. Of course, sa dami ng turista, marami rin ang accommodation options. Para sa trip na to, we will be staying in one of Station Zero's exclusive resorts, ang Movenpick Resort and Spa Boracay. We will be touring the resort, check out its amenities and facilities, and rate our overall stay experience. By the way, if it's your first time in the channel, please do like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to receive notifications every time we have a new uploaded video. Kakarating lang namin sa Movenpick after ng seamless airport and boat transfer na inarrange ng resort. Malapit nang mag-alas 3, ibig sabihin, pwede na tayong mag-check-in. The resort standard check-in is from 3 p.m., while the standard checkout time is at 12 noon. So we're now inside the classic Queen Room. This is a 27 square meter room designed with bright colors inspired by the island's vibrant spirit. Meron itong queen-sized bed, 32-inch TV, working desk, sitting area, coffee and tea making amenities, mini bar, telephone, at self-controlled aircon. Meron ding private balcony na furnished ng outdoor seats at drying rack. From the balcony, you can enjoy beautiful views of the garden habang nagre-relax o nagkakape. What we didn't like about the room is its pervasive old wood smell. Tapos, yung minibar, which is usually stocked ng drinks and snacks sa ibang mga premium resorts, pero dito ay walang laman. Yung banyo, wala namang problema. There's the usual toilet, bidet, complimentary toiletries, and hot and cold shower. The classic queen room with breakfast is usually priced at 13,500 pesos per night. This rate does not include the round-trip boat and land transfers from Caticlan Airport, which is an additional 3,600 pesos per person. Sa labas naman tayo. Look at this magnificent view. Movenpick offers the largest swimming pool of any resort in Boracay. Ibig sabihin nito, pwede kang magtampisaw at magbabad nang hindi siya napupuno. Ni hindi mo nga kailangang umalis for light snacks at drinks dahil merong sunken bar sa gitna ng pool. This massive pool is definitely one of the highlights of Movenpick. Across the pool and facing the beach is Sol Marina Beach Club. This outlet serves snacks and coolers katulad ng sandwiches, pizza, finger foods, ice cream, halo-halo, at fruits. It is designed with stylish couches, cocktail tables, bar chairs, at sun loungers. It is the perfect spot to get front row seats to Boracay's stunning waters and spectacular sunsets. Trivia time! Boracay is traditionally known for its three main boat stations, ang Station 1, 2, at 3. Station 0 is a relatively recent name that is used to refer to Punta Bunga Beach. It is a nickname that has since gained popularity in referring to the beach strip shared by three luxury resorts, Shangri-La, Crimson, and Movenpick. Station 0 is considered as the most idyllic stretch of beach in Boracay. It is secluded and undisturbed, evoking memories of Boracay that is quiet and uncrowded. Aside sa beachfront at malaking pool, may magagandang open spaces, gardens at ponds ang resort. These add refreshing change of scenery that could become monotonous for long-staying guests. Para sa fitness enthusiasts, merong 24/7 gym. Tara, let's check it out. Movenpick has a well-equipped gym, so you don't need to worry about missing a workout. There are elliptical trainers, treadmills, stationary bikes, shoulder press, dumbbell benches, pull-down machine, and a variety of weights. For families, there's the Little Birds Club, which offers enjoyable activities for the young guests of the resort. For beach essentials and souvenirs, nariyan naman ang Sagana Retail Store. The resort also has a lifestyle spa called Sagay, kung saan pwedeng mag-de-stress at unwind. It offers holistic therapies na hango sa iba't ibang kultura. Andito naman tayo sa isa pang food outlet. This is called the Fun Pub. It looks empty because this outlet only opens at 5 p.m. Here, guests can keep up to date with the latest sporting actions and live streaming of games habang nag-e-enjoy ng cocktail drinks at brews. Meron din itong billiard table for games at karaoke room for a fun night with friends and family. Now let's head to the market for Movenpick's signature chocolate hour. This is complimentary for all guests from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Breakfast buffet is also served in the market. Marami ang breakfast selection na sakto para sa iba't ibang panlasa. Dahil dito, ang breakfast ay laging jam-packed. The place can really get messy and noisy. So mas maganda maging maaga para hindi ma-disappoint. Breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. We also had dinner inside the resort during our first night. Sadly, hindi ganun kasarap at masyadong mahal pa yung pagkain. Good thing the resort offers free shuttle services to the mall. So pinili naming kumain sa labas gabi-gabi. The beach of Movenpick is faultless. It's beautiful, it's quiet, and it's laid back. You can spend a lazy afternoon just lounging in this beach. Considering all these, we are giving Movenpick a score of 7.85. Food quality and cleanliness are its main areas of improvement. Location and facilities are top-notch. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video as we explore the world one trip at a time.